Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll delve deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, January 29, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 19, 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.85. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 0.09%. This translates to an average return of 0.01% per day since it was listed as buy candidate. Currently, the stock is experiencing a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. However, there are signs indicating a further rise within this trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 4.96% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return falls within the range of 0.470% and 10.94%. When considering the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 22.66% change over the next year. The potential return is estimated to be between 12.8% and 29.52%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $216.27 to $248.33 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for Apple. The Apple stock price fell by -0.359% on the last day, Monday, January 29, 2024, from $192.42 to $191.73. It has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.38% from a day low at $189.58 to a day high of $192.20. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still up by 3.13% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 5 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 47 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $8.96 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $199.62, and the lowest price was $141.32. Currently, the price is 3.95%, or $7.89, below the 52-week high, and 16%, or $36.53, below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst Ratings. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities gave Apple a buy grade with a upgrade action. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities gave Apple a negative grade with a upgrade action. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 18, 2023, it was reported that Wedbush gave Apple a outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, it was reported that Citigroup gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $193.35. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $191.13. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 5, 2024, and so far it has risen 5.82%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 45 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $188.63, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $2.62, 1.38%, between high and low. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 1.3%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal P/E ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.08. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $197.57. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $188.63. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The consensus among multiple analysts is that Apple's average rating is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Christ sold 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Christ sold 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -21.254, indicating a negative trend. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $183.80, which represents a decrease of 4.14%. This particular stock experiences lower daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 15 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and an overall positive trend for Apple stock. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, it is important to note that our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued, considering the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Tuesday, January 30th, we anticipate that Apple stock will open down $0.560 and start trading at $191.17. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to speak with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. We want you to make informed choices. At StockInvest.us, we provide valuable information to help you navigate the market. However, it's crucial to note that you should not solely rely on our information when making investment decisions. You are ultimately responsible for your own choices and their outcomes. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your target for this stock as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.